Good day viewers, welcome back to Sonic Boom Fire Night Shadow Blade. So now we're here at I think this is the third stage. So this
The reading's moving
roller
this way.
speed. Let's try to complete it without missing anything. I wonder if I can though. What was that about? Oh, the one spring is there. Okay, so okay, the horror mistake. We're not do that. Come on, I was only exploring. Whew, close one. Couldn't get up there. Oh, I see. A bit too late when I found out. Oh, there's something up there. Let's see if I can use stick to get that one. Looks like I can. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm gonna get it either way. I'm gonna get it either way after all. I need Sonic here. So what's over here? Okay, that's done. Let's go back to I missed it. Oh, come on, seriously? I got the second hammer. Okay, how am I gonna get over there? Let's go to the challenge room and see what we can find. Or maybe not another hard one. Whoa! Oh, come on, you kidding me? Okay, that wasn't very hard like the others, so I guess I'll take it. Another spring. I have collected the spring. All I need to do now is collect the hammer and I'll just get out of here. If I can find it. I don't even know where it is. Just take my time. How can I get down there? I see. I'll be needing sticks again. Oh, come on! Whoa, I'm lagging. What's going on? Oh, I still need to use sticks. What was that all about? Oh. Complete. I guess that's one down. Wait, what's up here? There's two again? I have to find two again.
I love my technology!
I can't believe I had to find two again. It's so hard. I don't even know where it is. Okay, that's one. Where's the second one? Ouch. Whoa, there was something there? I got one, but where's the other one? And I'm running out of time. everything's down there, so we're going up. The other one's closed. Down here. Okay, that's one. Gotta find the second one, but I don't even know where it is. There. Oh, you're kidding me. This is where I started, isn't it? Yeah, this is where I started. It's not the one that was the other one. Ugh. Seriously. I can escape from here. The purple is kind of easy. So there is a way down here. Damn it. Well, I did it. Somehow. So I thought there's no way down there. So there was a way down there. Castaway Bay.
Catching up! Don't stop now!
I thought there was another race here. I think I had the race last time. I almost lost. Nothing here. There we go. Why am I hard on my Sonic when I can just use that? Much more easy. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Wait, something's up there. wrong button. I kind of wonder this also for red. I mean, if I can collect every single one. Whoa, you kidding me? Oh! I got it. Oh, that's where it came from. Oh yeah. There we go. First I selected the other one. So one more to go. Oh. Clear. Wait, what's over here? Okay, got two. There's one more to go. There's one more hammer and I'm good. But I have to clear this. Wait. There's the snow? Shit, here we go again. I hate this part. The one with the spike and you gotta dodge at the right time. I gotta jump at the exact right time. No! Oh no, I didn't. This is a little hard. I can do this. I went too far. Okay. See, that was easy. How come I'm having a hard time? That was freaking easy if you ask me. How was that now? Okay, so we fixed the problem. So now we can go out to the... Come on, seriously? That was the last one and I failed? How can I fail the last one? It's already last. Ah! Seriously? What? Seriously? I'll be right back. I'll be start there. Okay, here it is. Here's where I failed. That's one. See, that was quite easy. How come I'm having a hard time? You saw for yourself, it was quite easy. Oh no, that's over. we can finally go forward. Attention to eyes immediately. There we go. I haven't seen the last hammer yet. Did I miss it already? Yeah, I think I missed the hammer. I missed one hammer. Oh, I didn't complete it this time. I completed the other one, but I haven't completed the other one also. 2 ways. Creeper call. I'd rather not take that. No way, not that. I'm having problem enough with that one. So I guess this is the right way. Yeah, I think the creeper call is the right way because there's no other way to go. Or can I go to the next area already? I think I need to wait for that one. Yeah, I guess so. So okay, guys, next part of the video we're gonna take this one. I guess there's nowhere else to go. Yeah. There's nowhere else to go. I guess I gotta take this one. But that's for now. Hope you enjoy. So please subscribe and like, and we'll go to the next part. So, we'll go to the next part of the video. Goodbye.